Today, we'll be looking at something a lot of guitarists neglect: cleaning your strings. Now, first things first, clean strings will affect your playability. It is much easier to do slides and legato playing in general on clean strings, and rust and grime will slow down your moving around the fretboard. So it's time for string cleaning. Now, many will simply buy a cleaning and/or lubricating fluid, pour it onto a cloth, and wipe the strings over the fretboard. Now, that seems about right? Well, actually, no. Just wiping a cleaning liquid onto the strings will dissolve some of the rust and grime, but it won't get it off the string. Even worse, it mostly winds up on the surface of the fretboard, accumulating grime between the frets. Plus, the layer of lubricant on the strings might feel slick and fast at the beginning, but it will attract dust and grime from your hands, resulting in even more buildup over time. So, what's the solution? Get a string cleaner. It might also be a lubricant, it might not, it doesn't really matter. Apply it to a tissue or a paper towel and then hold it between your thumb and your forefinger and pinch the string all around. Then wipe the string a few times along its entire length, slowly and firmly, making sure you wipe down every side of the string, not just the top. You can do that many times until you see no more grime on your tissue. And that's it. Your strings will be much cleaner and your playing will be a lot less sticky. Now don't forget to click like and subscribe, and see you next time on Fret Tips.